Did you know your shampoo bottle is packed with synthetic chemicals, many you can't even pronounce? Most commercial shampoos are loaded with ingredients that sound more like a science experiment than something you'd want on your scalp. These hidden additives are often overlooked, but they can have a big impact on your hair and overall health. Sulfates, for example, create lots of foam, but strip your hair's natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. While that rich lather might feel luxurious, it's actually a sign that your hair's protective barrier is being washed away. Over time, this can make your hair more prone to breakage and split ends. These harsh detergents can also irritate your scalp, causing itching and flakiness. If you've ever wondered why your scalp feels tight or uncomfortable after washing, these chemicals are often to blame. Sensitive skin can react even more strongly, leading to redness or persistent discomfort. Switching to natural shampoo means saying goodbye to these chemicals and hello to gentle, plant-based ingredients. Natural shampoos use botanical extracts and essential oils that nourish your hair instead of stripping it. They're designed to clean effectively while supporting your scalp's natural balance. You'll notice healthier, shinier hair and a more balanced scalp. Many people find their hair becomes softer, easier to manage, and less frizzy after making the switch. It's a transformation you can see and feel. Plus, when you rinse, you're not sending harmful chemicals down the drain. Natural shampoos are better for the environment too. They break down more easily and don't pollute our waterways, making them a smarter choice for eco-conscious households. Every small change at home adds up to a big impact for the planet. Choosing natural products is a simple step that supports a healthier world for everyone, including future generations. Making your own shampoo is easier than you think and lets you control every ingredient. You can customize your formula to suit your hair's unique needs, whether you want extra moisture, volume, or a soothing touch for your scalp. You get to experiment and find the perfect blend for your unique hair. It's a fun, creative process that puts you in charge of your hair care routine, and you might even discover new favorite ingredients along the way. This guide will walk you through the basics and help you craft your own personalized shampoo. From choosing the right base to adding nourishing oils and scents, you'll learn everything you need to get started. Get ready to transform your hair care routine and experience the benefits of going natural. Your hair will look and feel better, and you'll have peace of mind knowing exactly what you're using. Your hair and the planet will thank you. Embrace the change and enjoy the journey to healthier, more beautiful hair naturally. What makes a good shampoo? It's a question we all ask, especially when we want the healthiest hair possible. The answer isn't just about getting your hair clean. It's about caring for your scalp, nourishing your strands, and using ingredients that work in harmony with your body. It's simple: gentle cleansing, moisture, and the right pH balance. But there's more to it. A good shampoo should also protect your hair from damage, help maintain its natural oils, and leave it feeling refreshed, not stripped or dry. Your scalp is naturally slightly acidic, so a shampoo with a similar pH keeps hair smooth and healthy. This helps prevent frizz, breakage, and irritation, making your hair easier to manage every day. Natural ingredients can do all this beautifully. They're gentle, effective, and often packed with vitamins and minerals that support hair health from root to tip. Castile soap is a gentle, plant-based cleanser that won't strip your hair. It's made from oils like olive or coconut, so it cleans without harsh chemicals or synthetic fragrances. Soapnuts or Retha are another natural option, creating a mild lather and removing buildup. They're biodegradable and have been used for centuries in traditional hair care. For moisture, coconut milk, aloe vera, and glycerin draw hydration into your hair, leaving it soft and shiny. These ingredients help repair dryness and add a natural sheen, making your hair look and feel its best. Essential oils like tea tree, lavender, and rosemary add scent and targeted benefits. Think dandruff relief or scalp stimulation. Each oil brings its own unique properties, so you can tailor your shampoo to your hair's needs. Just a few drops can turn your shampoo into a custom treatment. You can experiment with blends to find what works best for you, making your hair care routine truly personal. Apple cider vinegar or lemon juice help balance pH, especially if you use alkaline cleansers. They also help remove residue and boost shine, making your hair feel lighter and more vibrant. An acidic rinse seals the hair cuticle, making hair smoother and less tangled. This simple step can make a big difference in how your hair looks and feels after every wash. Understanding these basics lets you create a shampoo that works with your body, not against it. You'll be able to choose ingredients that suit your hair type, your lifestyle, and your values. Nature really does know best. When you use natural ingredients, you're not just caring for your hair. You're also making a choice that's better for the planet. With the right ingredients, you can have clean, healthy hair. No harsh chemicals required. It's all about finding what works for you and enjoying the process. Let's dive into some easy recipes. You'll see just how simple and rewarding it can be to make your own shampoo at home. Your perfect shampoo is just a few steps away. Let's get started and give your hair the natural care it deserves. Ready to mix? Let's dive into the world of homemade hair care, where you can create nourishing shampoos tailored just for you, right in your own kitchen. Here are 3 easy recipes for different hair types, each designed to address specific needs and leave your hair feeling its best. First, coconut milk moisturizing shampoo for dry or curly hair. Perfect for anyone whose hair craves extra hydration and softness. Mix 1/2 cup unscented liquid Castile soap, which acts as a gentle cleanser without stripping your hair's natural oils. 1/4 cup full-fat coconut milk, rich in fatty acids to deeply moisturize and add shine. 1 teaspoon glycerin or honey for extra softness and a touch of natural humectant. And 5-10 drops lavender or ylang-ylang oil for a soothing scent and scalp nourishment. Shake well to blend. This blend hydrates and cleanses, making it ideal for curls or anyone with dry, brittle strands. You'll notice your hair feels softer, more manageable, and deeply nourished after each wash. Second, Soapnut clarifying shampoo for oily or fine hair. This one's a natural solution for those who struggle with excess oil or limp locks. Boil 5-6 soap nuts in 2 cups water for 20 minutes, then let the mixture cool and strain out the liquid, which becomes your gentle, plant-based cleanser. Add 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel for soothing hydration and scalp care, and 5-10 drops tea tree or rosemary oil, both known for their purifying and invigorating properties. This light formula removes excess oil and buildup, helping to balance your scalp and refresh your hair. The result? Hair that feels clean, bouncy, and full of natural volume. No heavy residue left behind. Third, gentle honey and chamomile shampoo for normal or sensitive scalps. Ideal for anyone seeking a mild, calming wash. Combine 1/2 cup Castile soap, a gentle base that cleans without irritation, 1/4 cup cooled strong chamomile tea, 1 TBSP raw honey for soothing and moisture, and 1 teaspoon jojoba or almond oil. Shake before use. Honey soothes and moisturizes, while the chamomile calms irritation and leaves a gentle scent. Chamomile is especially great for sensitive scalps, helping to reduce redness and promote a healthy scalp environment. Each recipe is simple, customizable, and can be adjusted to suit your preferences or hair's changing needs. Best of all, they're free from harsh chemicals, artificial fragrances, and unnecessary additives. Try one that matches your hair type, or mix and match ingredients to create your own signature blend. You can even experiment with different essential oils or add-ins to find your favorite scent and texture. Making your own shampoo is as easy as mixing, shaking, and enjoying the results. No special equipment required. You'll notice softer, healthier hair with every wash, and the satisfaction of knowing exactly what's in your bottle. These recipes are just the beginning. Feel free to get creative and adjust the formulas to suit your unique hair goals. Your hair's needs are unique, and with homemade shampoo, you can truly personalize your routine. Now your shampoo can be as individual as you are, crafted for your hair, by you. Start with these basics and adjust as you go, making notes of what works best for your hair's texture and needs. Homemade hair care is fun, effective, and rewarding. Plus, it's a great way to bond with family or friends. You're in control of every ingredient, every scent, and every benefit. Let's get started on your journey to healthier hair. Your best hair is just a recipe away. Enjoy the process and the beautiful results. Before you start, gather your tools, measuring cups, spoons, a small saucepan, whisk, and a funnel. Most of these are already in your kitchen. Choose a storage bottle. Glass is eco-friendly, especially amber or blue to protect ingredients from light. If you use plastic, make sure it's BPA-free. A pump or squeeze bottle makes shower use easy. Sterilize all equipment and containers, run them through the dishwasher or wash with hot, soapy water, and rinse with boiling water. Let everything air dry before you begin. Set up your clean workspace and read through your recipe. Measure ingredients carefully and follow the instructions the first time. As you gain confidence, start customizing. Think of it like baking. Once you know the basics, you can add your own twist. Enjoy the process of making something natural and personal. Your kitchen is now your hair care lab. Using homemade shampoo feels different, less lather, but just as effective. Focus on massaging it into your scalp where oil and buildup collect. Work the shampoo down the hair lengths. The rinse will clean the ends. Rinse thoroughly with warm water to avoid residue. When switching from commercial to natural shampoo, expect a transition period. Your scalp may feel oily or waxy as it adjusts. This phase is temporary. An apple cider vinegar rinse, 1 part vinegar to 4 parts water, can help. Be patient. Your scalp will rebalance and your hair will become softer and healthier. Stick with it for lasting results. The journey is worth it. The best part of DIY shampoo? Customization. For dry or color-treated hair, add argan oil, avocado oil, or shea butter for extra moisture. Avoid harsh cleansers for colored hair. Stick to gentle bases like Castile soap. For oily hair, add a bit of clay or use balancing essential oils like clary sage or lemon. Tea tree and peppermint oils help with dandruff or itchiness. Infuse your shampoo with herbal teas like nettle or calendula for scalp health. Adjust your formula with the seasons. More moisture in winter, lighter blends in summer. Make small batches and tweak as your hair's needs change. You're in control. Listen to your hair and give it what it needs. That's the beauty of homemade hair care. Store your shampoo in a cool, dark place. Heat and sunlight break down natural ingredients. If you make a big batch, keep most in the fridge and a small bottle in the shower. Water-based recipes last 1-2 weeks at room temp, up to a month refrigerated. If it smells off, changes color, or grows mold, toss it and make a fresh batch. Add vitamin E oil, grapefruit seed extract, or rosemary oil to extend shelf life naturally. Make small batches often for the freshest product. This lets you experiment and always use potent, active ingredients. Think of it as cooking a fresh meal for your hair. Your hair will love the difference. Enjoy the ritual of self-care. Not perfect on the first try? That's normal. If your shampoo feels heavy, reduce oils or coconut milk, or add an apple cider vinegar rinse. If it separates, just shake before each use. Dry or tangled hair, add more aloe, glycerin, or oil, and use an acidic rinse. If your hair still feels dirty, try a more clarifying recipe or increase Castile soap. Pre-treat with a clay mask for extra cleansing. Experiment until you find your perfect formula. DIY hair care is a journey. Enjoy discovering what works for you. Natural shampoos rival commercial ones. Real softness, shine, and scalp health without harsh chemicals. You'll save money by buying ingredients in bulk and making batches at home. The process is quick, fun, and gives you fresh, customized shampoo anytime. Gentle recipes are safe for color-treated hair and effective for all types. Let go of expectations. Natural shampoo looks and feels different, but your hair will thank you. Making your own is self-care and environmental care. Less plastic, fewer chemicals and waterways. You're taking control of your health and beauty. Start with a simple recipe and notice how your hair responds. Enjoy the creativity and empowerment of DIY hair care. You have the power to transform your routine and embrace the best of nature. Happy mixing. Thank you for joining us on this journey to healthier, more natural hair care. If you love discovering homemade beauty tips and want more inspiration, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have plenty of natural beauty secrets and DIY recipes coming your way. Don't miss out.